Well, good morning from Dynodaze. It is Monday and we have this beautiful Fn2 in for some work this morning. Now, as you know, it's not all sexy work here, so this one's getting undersealed. It's also having fully refurbished red calipers all round and some new discs and pads. In fact, it's just having pads. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to crack on with this today, take photographs and bits of video as we go. Undersealing these is really important. As you've seen on my video of my white Fn2, it really did need a bit of work. So this one, when we get underneath it, we'll have a look, see how bad it is. But they are suffering with the age now. So yeah, photographs as we go. Okay, well, it's not as bad as mine, I can tell you that. It's still needs a little help, but Jason with his magic wire wheel, we're going to get as much of this off as possible, and then we're going to get it etched and undersealed. Yeah, better than mine, so that is a good start this morning. Okay, so that's the first bit completed. So you've got little bits to wipe off that we've still got to do, but as you can see, it is looking beautiful now. It's had some treatment. It's had a bit of underseal on it. It's a bit dark actually, a bit dark. But yeah, it's looking nice. Very underseal-y. We'll have a look in the arch. Well, it's very black because it's black underseal. But yeah, that's all looking lovely. So that's the undersealing done, looking all lovely. So next on, we're having a bit of a refresh on some calipers. Look at them lovely TypeR calipers, all in red, all from Brake Calipers Solutions in Barwell. Great team they are, and that'll really freshen these up. We've gone for some new standard pads as well. But yeah, that is going to look nice. Oh, lovely new brakes. There's a lot of debris here from underneath the car.
It's fucking disgusting.
But it's all clean and fresh now. This is a really nice steering wheel, Jason. Yeah. It's very nice. So I'm going to pump these brakes. Yeah, really, Jason. I'm not actually going to film me pumping these brakes because I've got old knees, and this may take a while. Looking lovely.
You got brakes, my friend?
Very nice calipers, courtesy of Brake Calipers Solutions in Barwell. The team over there. Nice.
Got boost?
It's not got boost.
Oh.
You know that.
No
it
boost.
Needs boost.
No boost, my friend.
No VTEC?
No, that's gay.
Shut up, mate. VTEC's the bomb. Well, there she is. She's out the workshop. New brake calipers, new pads, and fully undersealed. And it's just started raining. So so that's the end of this video. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And if you need a quote for any of this work, give us a shout. We love our Fn2s. Well, I certainly love mine anyway. Cheers, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.